should have done this bumper all along. Let her warm all the way up. I did end up getting the door panel back on. Fixed it, so now this side opens up. Cleaned it up the other day. Gonna do some Sparco R100 seats this year, I think, but we'll talk more about that whenever it's warm. Alright, she's warm. I did some extensive cleaning, so inside looks pretty good. Those little things stuck in, probably because I had that out. Yeah. Alright, awesome. What's up, guys? I really hope that that's not going to be super crazy windy, but if it is, it's what it is. I just wanted to provide you guys with a quick little update, and for starters, I just wanted to say that the kit is still running awesome. I haven't had any issues with it. I also haven't put that many miles on it. I want to say maybe like 1,200, 1,400 miles, something like that. Nothing crazy. I did clean right at the base of the supercharger at the inlet. It was a little bit dirty, not a big deal. And I did change the supercharger fluid. That was fairly simple. I just kind of let it run down and it hit the frame, but I just let it run into a pan, not a big deal. I did end up buying the V1 Nismo bumper. I think this thing looks amazing. I think it's always looked awesome, and I just kind of overlooked it because I didn't want to make a Fismo, but I think that the V2 rear and the V1 front, it makes a perfect car for the 370Z. I am not going to be running the Stillen bumper, obviously. I really thought I was going to enjoy it. I had wanted this bumper for like 2 years, and then once I got it and I realized it needed to be baked and there was no way to make these little fins that are on the ends work, I kind of changed my mind, and I just wanted, Nismo style front and rear. So is what it is. But I hope you guys do like the V1 bumper as much as I do. Also, I will be getting rid of these NKs. I loved them for the longest time. There's zero curb rash, just the occasional little paint spot that is kind of, I don't know how it made its way off, but it's not curb rash. Not really sure what went on, but a couple of these wheels do have that issue, but I think they still look good. They might just need a little bit of life brought to them, some new tires wrapped on them. But I do have those rays upstairs. We probably are going to wrap this car. I'm very undecided. It's going to be based on what they quote me for paint for the front and rear bumpers, and if they can blend them real well. If they can't blend them real well and they just kind of say, it's 50-50, it might turn out great, it might turn out completely different, shade of white, then we probably won't do it. We probably will stick with a wrap. So yeah.